Hi, I'm back again. Well, if you're feeling nervous to speak in English, well, I've got few simple steps that will help you speak confidently. Hi, I'm Sharon from AngelSpeech. I'm here to help you speak confidently and talk fluently in English. Well, the first thing is we all get scared. Probably you make a lot of mistakes, or someone is judging you, or you forget words. It could be any of that fear. But how are you going to overcome these things? The first thing is mirror. Use your mirror. How are you going to use it? This is a mirror. Look at it and talk what happened in your day. Just that. You and the mirror for 10 minutes. That is what you're going to do. The next one is shadowing technique. A shadowing technique is very simple. You can go to YouTube. Shadowing effect. Now, what are we going to do over here? Just repeat what the friend person says. So over here, you can use YouTube or ChatGPT and it will give you few phrases. You just have to repeat how they are speaking. Sounds simple. It is easy. Takes 5 minutes of your time and you're good to go. Well, the next one is thinking in English. Now that is a big mountain. We don't know, we can't think, is what everyone thinks. It's very simple. You're walking. I am walking. Make it a sentence. You're thinking in English. I am eating. So simple things what you do in your day-to-day life. Just start thinking in English. If you follow these tips, practice every day consistently for 21 days and you start seeing tremendous change in the way you speak, your confidence increases, you can make better sentences. I hope these things are helpful and you start practicing them. If you're practicing, please do comment which one you're using. Is it the first one, talking to a mirror, or the second one, shadowing, or the last one, which I know is difficult, but you can do it. That is thinking in English. I hope you start speaking confidently. Thank you for watching Angel Speech. You have a great day.